welcome back to my channel. Today I have part 2 of my unboxing from Claudia. She sent me some Happy Mail a little while back and I'm finally getting around to opening it. You guys already saw part 1. If you haven't, definitely go check it out. She sent me some fun goodies. So today we are going to be opening the next box, and this one's actually a lot heavier and I have no idea what's in here, but it is heavy, like heavy. So I'm just going to go ahead and start opening everything and taking it all out. So let's go ahead and get started. So she sent me a little card. I probably should have opened this one first, but alright, it just says, Ellie, I hope you enjoy all this cute pre-love stuff as much as I love you, love your channel and Instagram. Keep up all the great stuff you do. Your friend Claudia. Oh, she's so sweet, and she's in California, so everybody give her a shout out down below. As always, I love to give everybody a shout out. Super cute. This is the little card she sent. Love it. I'm gonna keep that. Alright, let's go ahead and dig right in. So the first thing that I see are some little headbands. These are super cute. This one is a black and white polka dot, and this one is a red and white. Fun for the holidays. I love that. I actually try to start wearing headbands. It feels a little awkward, but alright, so here we have a little sticky notebook. Super cute. I actually almost done with the one that Cynthia sent me, so now I have a backup. How cool is that? I love that. Thank you so much. And then over here she sent me a little book of scrapbook paper. Yay! Look at how cute these are. Fun summer theme. And then over here she sent, these are, looks like some planner pages. Let's check it out. Alright, so over here we have, yeah, these are some planner pages for a ring planner. Oh, look at how cute that is. That is so pretty. Let me see. Oh, here it has the weekly. Oh, the monthly view. These are monthly. It has notes. Look at how fun. I have a binder. I wonder if it'll fit in there. No, this is for a 6-ring planner. I also have a 6-ring planner. I'm gonna check it out. And then over here we have blank paper. Oh, it has weekly and it's undated. Yes. Oh, I love that. I'm gonna leave that to the side and try to play around with that. All right, next we have Make Each Day Count, a super cute notebook. Here we have, look, it almost feels like leather. It has gold rings. It has the gold binding. Oh, it's actually a planner. Look at how cute. It has little stickers. It has goals. It has the monthly view. And it has the weekly view. And it's not dated, which is awesome. Look at how cute this is. Oh, Claudia, thank you so much. Over here we have, oh my god, we have another one. Okay, hold on. We have a 3-ring binder. Look at how pretty that is. It has like fun little colors in a baby blue and a pink and a gold and a gray and a black. So cute. Look at how pretty that is. It has the 3 rings and the rings look nice and deep. And then over here we have a little book. It says chill. It's only chaos. I love that. And it just has blank paper, perfect for my work notes. Love that. Thank you so much. And then over here we have a little 6x6 sticker, or what do you call it? Scrapbook paper. Awesome. That's so pretty. It has like a bunch of little fun florals. This one's from the Dollar Tree by the Jop brand. Super cute. Over here we have a laminated divider. It has little coffee theme, really pretty. I love that. Over here we have a little gold folder to go into the binder. And then, what else? Oh my gosh, I think I see some stickers or something. Alright, let's see what else we got in here. Alright, so over here we have a little, it looks like a little ruler almost, but that's, oh, it's like a page marker. Super cute. some stickers. Here we have a little book, a blank book. Here's another one. Oh, oops. That one has the, I tried to open it, but it still had the plastic on it. I'll grab that in a little bit. Here we go. It says, keep it simple, sweetheart. Super cute. Over here we have a little unicorn charm. And then over here we have some paper. Some floral stickers. Some more stickers. Ooh, there's some fun Halloween ones in there. And then over here we have some more stickers. Ooh, these are so cute. Super pastel. I love the colors. Over here we have some, ooh, from Shine Sticker Studio. I love that. Here we have another one. Super cute. Some label stickers. Some stencils. Over here we have, oh, this is the personal size. Super cute. And then some checklists for the Happy Planner, which I have. Awesome. Alright, and then over here we have some fun little goodies. We have some sanitizers. Of course, everybody needs sanitizers. We have the lemon and the cupcake. And then we have these. What are these? 3 pure cotton. I'm not sure what this is, but it's so cute. It's like a little can of pop. That is so cute. There's something in there for sure. Oh, that one's so cute. Life's better with ice cream. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I wonder if I open it. Should I open it? It has something in there. I'm not sure what it is, but super cute. That makes a little cute decorative piece for like a planner area. And then over here we have a little apron. Oh, it's Frida Kahlo. That is so cute. Oh my goodness, that's adorable. I love that. All right, and then over here we have some like little keychains. There's just a whole bunch of keychains in here. I'm not going to take them out. And then over here we have a book, notes for notes. All that blank paper, really pretty. Some more stickers from the Dollar Tree. All right, and then next we have, oh, these are so cute. These are from the Dollar Tree. They have the little elephant. And then we have, oh, we have the inserts for this planner right here. Look at how cool that is. Oh my goodness, I love that. There's a ton. Yes, I love that. And then over here we have some sticky notes for the Happy Planner. And then over here we have some more stickers. Super cute. Alright, and then over here we have some dividers for this size planner. Really pretty. Alright, and then we have another planner. This is 2021, so it's still good. Look at how cute that is. I like the inside. The color is really, really pretty. Here's another planner. It says make today amazing, but this one's like that really hard cover. Okay, here's the inserts. She added them in there. How cute is that? I love it. This one's so cute. And then over here we have some inserts for like a spiral type of notebook, but I can always cut them down and just attach them to something else. Here we have that. You totally got this. Oh, these are so cute. Again, some more little dividers. Look at how cute. These are like so kawaii. I love it. Oh my gosh, the llama. No problema. I would totally cut this out and frame it. All of these. They're cute. And then here we have some Happy Planner covers. Right? I think that's what they are. Yes. They're in a set of 2, but this one's stuck together. But these are for the large planner. Oh my gosh, this is a lot of stuff. All right, then we have some photo paper. And then lastly, we have some sheet protectors, which are good for making shakers. And that's pretty much it, you guys. That is everything that Claudia sent me. Claudia, thank you so much. I truly, truly appreciate it all. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give Claudia a big shout out in the comments down below. Let her know how awesome she is, of course. We love you so much. And if you enjoyed today's video, as always, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!